Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature with images. Adding a professional signature with your photo or company logo can make your emails look more polished and help recipients remember who you are. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. This takes you directly to Gmail's login page. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. This opens up the full settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. You'll automatically land in the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Now scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where all the magic happens for customizing how your emails end. In the Signature section, you have two options. You can click Create New to start building a signature from scratch, or if you already have one set up that you'd like to modify, simply select that existing signature. This flexibility allows you to maintain multiple signatures for different purposes, like one for personal use and another for business communications. Now comes the important part, adding your image. Look for the Insert Image icon in the Signature Editor toolbar. It typically looks like a small photo or picture frame. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose where your image comes from. You can upload an image directly from your computer or select one from your Google Drive if you've already stored it there. This makes it easy to include your headshot, company logo, or any other visual element you want in your signature. Once your image is uploaded, Gmail gives you control over its size. You'll see options for small, medium, large, or original size. Choose the one that fits best with your overall signature design. You want your image to be visible but not so large that it overwhelms the rest of your signature content. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and your new signature with images will appear on all your future emails. Thanks for watching.